from your experience bridging technical and executive audiences, what's one misconception C-suite leaders may have about AI adoption that could cost them in the long run? Think about Blockbuster and all the sunken ships that you know about.
I think that I can vibe code an app. In fact, I did a workshop at this conference where we had 3 hours and we vibe coded 10 apps. We had the participants. Some of them had never used AI before. In 3 hours, they had built 10 functional apps. So if I'm looking at this from an executive standpoint and not in the weeds of it, that might seem, oh wow, 10 apps in 3 hours. We could do whatever we want to do, right? Why y'all not cranking this stuff out faster is what you think. But those apps were toy apps. They were, they did work. They work locally on your machine. As soon as you start trying to scale this, again, it can get complicated, right? There's a thing called vibe coding where it's just vibes. We built those 10 apps. Most people probably never looked at the code of those apps. It didn't matter. It worked, right? But on an enterprise level, from a company, that doesn't fly. That's not going to scale, and you need production quality software. So I think executives see something like that, vibe coding, and think, oh yeah, we should be cranked. I don't even need all of these developers. Let's get rid of half of them and get the other half to use AI, and we should be knocking out features like it's nothing, right? So there's a misconception there of like how good and capable these tools actually are for production type applications.
Right.